Hi everyone. So in this video we're going to learn about 4-bit binary ripple adder, or which is also called as binary parallel adder. So here I've taken 4-bit. Okay, so to the left hand side of the screen you can see two variables a and b, which each is of 4-bit. You can see I represent that one, that is a1, a2, a3 and a4. Similarly for b I have taken b1, b2, b3 and b4. So when I'm going to add these two, the result will be sum. For that I've taken sum bit s, which is again is a 4-bit, that is s1, s2, s3 and s4. And just to the lower of s you are finding co or c naught, which is nothing but the carry out if at all it generated. Okay. Now, for example, for a and b I have taken certain variables in binary form. You can see to the lower part of the screen on left hand side, you will find for a I have taken 1101, and for b I have taken 1011. So when I'm adding these two, okay, I'm finding the result as 0001 and a carry out is generating. Okay, so I'm going to test this input of a and b onto this circuit on right hand side, and for that I have taken a ripple carry adder IC, that is 7483. Okay, because you know at this point of time what is in half adder, what is in full adder, and how to form a ripple carry adder 4-bit. Okay, so I'm not going for the schematic, directly I have taken an IC, and to that IC I'm giving a and b as inputs in terms of 4 variables. So to the right hand side you can see I have taken a1, a2, a3 and a4, which is coming from certain switches. Okay, that is a1, a2, a3 and 4 switches, which is connected to the supply. The same supply I have connected 4 more switches, that is b1, b2, b3 and b4. And you can see in the IC it is written that from my left to the right you can see b1, b2, b3 and b4, which is connected to those switches of b, right? And then coming to c0, this is my carry in, which I have grounded. Okay, and if subsequent I have to go for 8-bit, I will connect this carry, okay, to the output of the carry coming for the first IC. So here this is the first IC itself, so I have grounded it C0, okay, which is the input carry. And to the lower side of the IC we are finding the first one is carry out, that is C4. Okay, so you can see I have given a CO name to that one. So this, wherever if carry is generated, okay, in our case carry will be obviously generated, so this will force this probe to be highlighted, that it convert from 0 to 1. Okay, and then you can see there are 4 sum bit which is resultant of this a and b addition, that is s1, s2, s3 and s4, and accordingly I have named it as sum1, sum2, sum3 and sum4, right? So let us go and start the simulation, and then we'll put the switches as per the value we have taken, and we'll see that whether we're getting the resultant output or not. Okay, so for this I'm starting my simulation process over here. I started the simulation. Now I will start with a1. So a1 is 1. I'm putting a1 is 1, then a2 is 1. Okay, a3 is 0, a4 is 1. I'm putting that one, and then after coming to b side I'm getting as b1 as 1, so I'm putting b1 as 1, b2 as 0, b3 is 1 and b4 is 1. So you can see carries out is 1, so I got carry out as 1 over here. Okay, and I'm getting s4 is 1, so sum 4 is 1 over here, right? So this is how the 4-bit is working. So see, I open a switch over, so if I change some other value, I will take. Okay, so if I take other value, then things will work like that. For example, let's say, uh, let me take some values. Okay, so if I take a as let's say 8, so I'll be taking that a4 as 1 and rest all is 0. So I'm taking this one as if this one is 8. Okay, 1000 is 8, and then I'll be taking this 3. Okay, that is 0011. Okay, fine. So let's say this is 0, and this is 0, and this is 0, yeah, 0, and this is 1 and 1. So 8, 9, 11. 8 plus 3 is 11. So I'm getting 11 over here. You can see this is my s4. Okay, that is my 8. Okay, and this is 9, 10, and this is 1 is 11. Okay, so you can see we're getting the things. So similarly as you go on changing the values, okay, so you'll get the output in terms of the probe light over here. Okay, so this is all about my 4-bit binary parallel ladder. Okay, thank you for watching this.